Many Americans aren't taking advantage of one of the most powerful tools to get a head start on their retirement savings, an individual retirement account, also known as an IRA. It's kind of like a 401k, but with lower fees, more control, and no employer required. Let's fix that and take your retirement savings into your own hands. When you open an IRA, you gain full control over your retirement investments. Unlike an employer-sponsored plan, which often limits your options, an IRA lets you invest in individual stocks, bonds, ETFs, and more. Plus, IRAs typically come with low or zero annual account fees and zero to low commission trading, which helps you keep more of your money working for you. Now, let's talk about your 401k. If you leave your job, you've got four main options for your 401k. Leave your money in the former employer's plan if the plan allows it. Cash it out, but be careful, this may trigger early withdrawal penalties and taxes. Roll it over into your new employer's plan, like a 401k, 403b, 457a, if the new plan accepts a rollover. Or roll it into an IRA. This allows you to consolidate your retirement savings into one easy-to-manage account. And remember, an IRA stays with you throughout your career. No matter where you work, your IRA stays in your hands. This means your retirement plan stays consistent and completely under your control. With Webull, getting started is incredibly easy. No paperwork, no account minimums. Start with as little as $1. Plus, you get real-time data and advanced charts to make smarter investment choices. That's something many 401k administrators just don't offer. Now, think about this. If you maxed out your 401k for the past 25 years, assuming a 7% average return and 2% annual fee, you could have lost over $400,000 in fees alone. That's potentially $300,000 plus in lost returns over the course of your career. With the Webull IRA, you keep that money and still benefit from the tax advantages an IRA offers. Have an old 401k? You can roll it over to Webull tax and penalty free. Let your returns compound efficiently, not get eaten away by unnecessary fees. We've also partnered with Capitalize, an enterprise solution that helps you search for old or lost 401k assets. If you find one, we'll guide you through a concierge rollover service to help you consolidate your retirement funds, avoid excessive admin fees, and take full control of your financial future and freedom. Remember, the most successful investors, like Warren Buffett, don't wait. They research, then act. So what kind of retirement or investing videos would you like to see from us in the future? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more tips on building your wealth your way. Thanks for watching.